Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Libra. Let's see what's happening in their love life in month of August. This is a general love reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. And let's see what's going to happen for Libra in their love life for the month of August 2020. We will focus first on your person's feelings, what they will be feeling like in the month of August, what decisions they will take, what will be their next actions. Let's see what's coming through. Okay, Two of Swords, you might be dealing with another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Two of Pentacles, maybe dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. 10 of Swords, maybe you are dealing with air sign, another air sign. Okay, let's see what you are up to, what you will be feeling like in the month of August. What will be Libra feeling like in the month of August, their feelings for their person in the month of August. Okay, the Magician, beautiful. Four of Wands, dealing with a fire sign, maybe Aries, Leo, Sag. And 10 of Wands, maybe dealing with the fire sign. Okay, and the mutual feeling is 10 of Pentacles, beautiful. Okay, so Libra, what I'm seeing here is your person is quite confused. Maybe it was the third party situation, or maybe you were dealing with a third party situation, or you both were dealing with third party situation, or this person you're dealing with was married, or maybe you're married, or you both are married. So this is the overall scene what I'm seeing here. And in month of August, maybe this person is either coming out of this conflict between two people, two situation, or maybe they will ask you to take some firm decision and come out of the third party situation. Okay. I'm also seeing your person has this 10 of Swords on their side, so it might be you who was into a marriage situation, and this person can't take it anymore. They are like, either choose me or this person, so they went off in past. Okay, they went away, and it is hurting them. In August, this hurt will be intense. Okay, they will miss you, they will reminisce the old days. Okay, or maybe it is them who is dealing with a third party situation. It is maybe a committed situation where they are married with someone and they can't decide. Okay, so take it as it resonates. Okay, a lot of confusion, a lot of fogginess, a lot of misunderstandings is what I'm seeing here in month of August. Okay, so it is quite possible that your person was dealing with a third party situation. Maybe it was a marriage, and you were not being able to take this. Okay, so in August also I'm not seeing much change in this person's energies. Okay, Libra, they are still going to be confused, they are still going to juggle. Okay, and this is going to stress them in the end, because they are not happy with the overall situation. And if we look at your feelings, you want stability with this person, you want a committed relationship with this person, but they are not giving you that commitment, and that is stressing you out, that is causing you a lot of stress. 10 of Swords on their side and 10 of Wands on your sides. This situation is burdening you, pressurizing you, and causing a lot of distress on both of your sides. So this is not good situation to be into. August is going to be a very tough period for both of you. Okay, because you want stability, you want commitment from this person, and they're not offering it, and this situation is kind of stuck. Okay, and when the situation is stuck, it kind of stresses you out. Okay, I'm also seeing many of you are manifesting this person back in your life, thinking positive, feeling very optimistic about this situation, and this is going to turn around the situation for many of you. But your person isn't going to do much in August to take things further, or maybe bring more clarity to the situation, because where you are manifesting this person is not yet coming out of this dilemma or whatever this conflict is. They're still in this conflict, and the time they decide, the moment they decide what to do, whom to be with, your manifestation is definitely going to work. You have to be very, very, very positive. Okay, I'm definitely seeing you both coming back together. Okay, not in August, maybe in September. So just be hopeful. With this Two of Pentacles and Magician, I think definitely maybe this person was into a marriage situation and they were not being able to legally separate from their partner to come to you. They are juggling, maybe they are juggling with two people at a time, you and the other person, or maybe two situations. Okay, so what I'm saying here is no clarity from their side in the month of August. No movement, no forward movement, and you want stability, you want commitment, you want to marry this person. Okay, I told you about this. A lot of burden, a lot of pressure, a lot of sadness, a lot of depressive state is going to, you're going to face a very, look, I don't want to sound very negative in this reading, but it is what it is. I don't want to sugarcoat things, right? You have to know what you will be going through. That's why you're here, right? You want my guidance. That's why you're here. So that is what I'm going to give. But the good news is you both want stability. You both feel as if you both are made for each other. You both belong to each other. You both are compatible partners. You feel complete with each other. And that is what you want, right? What more better you can get the reading with this Four of Wands and this Ten of Pentacles. You both are made for each other, and that is what you're trying to make this person understand. But maybe they are feeling stable, they are not into this state of mind where they're still not deciding anything. Okay, and that is where the problem lies. They have to decide to reach to this state. Okay, they can't keep juggling all life. Okay, so they have to decide. Your person has to decide something. With this Queen of Swords, I think maybe your person cut you off in the past. Maybe they cut you off or you cut them off, and this is hurting you. Look, what I'm seeing here is your person is dealing with someone else, okay, and they want you to cooperate, they want you to support them. But how you can do that? When you love this person so much, how can you see them with someone else? Okay, so the thing is, you said enough is enough. Either you decide for yourself and then come back to me, otherwise just leave. And that is what hurted them. You got my point? Okay, and where you cut this person off, you were hurt too. Okay, this wasn't easy for you. This is not going to be easy for you, or maybe this is going to happen in August. Okay, so tough period for you. Okay, Libra, tough period for you. With this Five of Wands, what I'm seeing here is maybe this person is not leaving the other person because some other people are interfering, some other people are influencing this person, or maybe they don't want to get into this mess. If they are in this married situation with this other person, then their family members and their family members too are interfering into this, and that is why they are not being able to decide. Okay, and when we look at your side, you are like ready to face anything. You are manifesting this person and nothing can stop you. Okay, none of this person or none of the energy is going to stop you when you're manifesting this person. Okay, so let's clarify some cards for Libra. Let's see what is this Two of Swords about. I will pull out one card for Two of Swords and Two of Pentacles. I just want to clarify one thing. Is this about other person? Yes, definitely I can see this person is still working. They have still to decide on something. They will not decide anything. They haven't decided anything yet. Okay, and August is going to be a very crucial period for both of you. Okay, what is this Ten of Swords about? Okay, Two of Wands. Definitely you left them on this crossroad. You told them that when you will decide, then you come back. Okay, and this is stressing them out, and that is what this person is worried about, whether they will be able to decide or not. Queen of Swords. What is this Queen of Swords about? Yes, you are very much into this masculine energy. Even if you are a female, you are into this masculine energy where you are taking stand for yourself. you have to decide, okay? And they are also in this war with themselves, okay? What is this 10 of Wands about? Is this walking away? King of Swords. I think you will fight for this love. At times you will feel like walking away, but then you will stand up and you will realize, no, I want to fight for this person and they will come back. You will be quite hopeful for this person, okay, with this King of Swords. Or maybe many of you will literally cut this person off their life because they are dealing with the other person. Okay, what is this 5 of Wands about? King of Cups. Yes, you want them to come strong. You want them to propose you and express their love like in front of everyone else. You want them to come out strong and clear, okay? One more card for the overall energy. What is the overall energy? Okay. Oh my God. August is going to be a little hard for you, okay? Be ready, Libra. Let me see what advice do we have from Power of Love activation for you guys for the month of August. You need this advice. I really think so. You need this advice. What advice do we have for Libra? Creativity. I think yes, you love to devise new ideas, innovations and forms. I think you should distract yourself. You don't need to be feeling sad or reminiscing the old days, or maybe feeling guilty or feeling sad. Just move on. Just keep doing what you are doing, and things will fall into place if they have to, okay? So just be happy and release. I think you have to release maybe your negativity, maybe you want to control things, and that is the whole problem. You expect a lot out of this person, so just let things unfold naturally, and don't hold anything, don't hold on to anything. Just release everything. Universe is definitely going to bring you happiness and joy. Just believe on universe, okay? You have the ability to give our unwanted energies, yes, to the loving forces of universe. Definitely universe has the best things to offer to you. So just be open, just open your arms and believe in the universe. Release everything, okay? So yes, let's see what messages do we have from my handwritten messages for you guys. What messages do we have for Libra for the month of August? You really need advice at this period in time. Twin flame, maybe you're dealing with a twin flame. Things might get difficult, okay? Things might get difficult sometimes with a twin flame too. Physical attraction, maybe there was a physical attraction, just physical attraction between you two people, and you need to release such people in your life because they bring nothing good. They don't bring anything solid, okay? Gifts, maybe they are coming back with a surprise. With this King of Cups also I felt this, okay? Maybe they are leaving everything behind and coming to you, or maybe you are having birthdays. Many of you are even having birthdays, okay? Or anniversary. Clarity, maybe this person will bring clarity, or universe will bring clarity to this situation. Job change, maybe many of you are thinking about job change or will think about job change, and this will be beneficial for you. So this was it for Libra. I hope you got some insight on what's going to happen for you in the month of August. If you like this reading, you can hit the like button, and yes, if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing my channel. I really need your support. I am Pooja from India, and yes, see you next time.